Hi, welcome to lecture 3. So today we are going to discuss about string slicing. Actually, this is a method from which we can actually measure the total number in paragraph in any book or in any string, whatever you think. Sometimes we see that MS Office, MS Word thing displaying your keywords, your book has 500 keywords, 10,000 keywords, and they can display. So what is actually method behind that? I am telling you. Okay. So from as a Python, I am telling why how they count numbers, how numbers are in paragraph. Okay. I put name equal to, okay, Arjuno put name. This is okay. Okay, I put my name. Okay, so I put print. Everyone know print length len mean length. Okay, kiski length for name, they can print length. Okay, actually I called him that I have a name, someone, I have a book. I can print anything in insert anything beyond that. Okay, okay. I example, I can going to copy something on internet, news. I think I am going to copy news and having a lot of keywords. Okay, I think, and I will tell you how many keywords in this blog or articles. And this is articles. Okay, we open it. Okay, they have a lot of things. Okay, we use this. Okay, we copy this and we paste in here. Okay, control V, paste. What going on? Paste. Where our name, where we start. Okay, backspace. Okay, this is finished. Print length dot name. I think I can put now for news, or now I will put here news. Okay, news. Now this thing, whole thing will tell me how many numbers are there. 499 keywords. A space includes spaces here. Okay, I will do redo, undo all those things. So, okay, okay. Print length. So next we calculate. Next we write another function. We can here actually remove some keywords from left or right. Okay, so we'll need print name is a function name, and we use this symbol. I am showing that display all keywords from 0 to 7. I actually have a 7 in name, so I use 0 to 7. Okay, they play all 7 names GUL, FA, RA, Z. Okay, now I am asking him print name, and then I put this symbol, and I called him 3 2 7. Now I called him print from 3 to 7. That you can see that he can short first 3 keywords. Okay, they can short first 3 keywords, and they can minus from out, and finally they can print FARAZ. I can ask one more thing, print name, and I put this symbol, and I called him print from -3 to 5. What they do? 3. You can see only A will be printed because I ask him 5. 7, this is 7, this is 6, and this is 5. Okay, they print on only 5, and -3 there is no keywords to for find that. Okay, आई थिंक एग्जाम्पल we find some in internet पे एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं हम and then we solved out. Okay. Okay, I search their name Python slice string. Okay, hello world print b225. Okay, दिस इज एग्जाम्पल आपको समझ आ गई होगी कि ये कैसे हुआ है. ओके, नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं कुछ और एग्जाम्पल्स. दिस इज वेरी smart. Okay, here we see zero array numbering one s is for one and a for minus one and everything. A, for example, g actually computer noted it at zero. This is one, this is two, this is three, this is four and five, six, and sometimes same as it is minus one, minus two, minus three, minus four, minus five, minus six. Okay. S1 is equal to slice 3, S1, S2 is equal to slice 1 to 5, print string slice. ये क्या है? हाँ, string is equal to a string. There is some name, okay? I see it, put my name and everything. Slice 1 is equal to 3, second is slice 1 is equal to 3, second में 1, first shot, and then they can pick 5 and 2 print string slicing string 1 s1 print s1. Okay, we will use this con. Okay, we will change this. Okay, okay, paste. I will paste. I will change her name for. Uh, I will put my name. Okay, okay. I will put my name here, and s1 is equal to slice 3. Okay, Control Z and paste. S1 is equal to S1 then nominate that S1 is anything that is slice 3. Okay, if we run code, nothing input output. Okay, so we copy S2 and S3 same. Okay, and then we paste it here. Slice 2 S2 and S3 nominated that S3 is only 1 3 matlab 3 here. Okay, first string we're learning, first command we're learning, and when what we see, paste it, string, what is this, string slicing. I think there is error come one to error string slicing. They can simple say print string slicing, there is no relationship between these keywords from that. Okay, now we then going to print. Okay, they're using same method but in different way. Okay, print string, this thing print name, हम कहते हैं we say that print name, and they say okay I will change it string to name for your confusion. String name. Okay, print. Okay, print name. Okay, and we will run it. GUL, only this thing print GUL. They can print only first three keyword. Okay, and now why they print only first keyword, because here we put slice 3. Okay, next we put slice first keyword, 5 fifth number keywords and 2 number keywords. Okay, as to actually command that we put first keyword, second and third. Okay, okay, string, we change string from none because if we don't change this they throw error. Okay, name s2 run as. Okay, there's u and f because first is ignored. This is first because they start from 0. This is first, and s2 say 5 or fifth number is f. This pushed by what are they doing? Print name s2. First 5. Okay. Uh, third and fourth is not here. Third and fourth. Third, first, second, third, and fourth. Fourth is f. Okay. They print only third and fourth. Okay. As to here, they print only 3. First 3 because we only use 3. Okay, they use mention these keywords. So this time they print only first not printed, fifth number not printed, and two also not printed. So technically only there is remaining from two air always and three and six. Okay, next command is print string s3. S3 include minus 12 something else. Okay, so what we see here, and enter and paste and run this code. Error because 9 lines. Okay, main.p lines 9, lines number 9 में there is string error because we mention here that this is name, and here also we use string slicing, print string slicing. This is ZALG. What is this thing? This is not in name ZALG. They actually go into minus. Actually minus. What is minus? They print G L A Z A. They actually, I don't know how it's well, but minus 1, minus 12, minus 2. They can actually subtract something from all these things. Okay, so we see another example. String Greek print string 3. Okay, this thing we run here. So okay, we try this. Okay, we can run it. G double E. Okay, they can print first three. Okay, if we put 5 here, they can print 5 keywords. Okay, if there is nothing, if you can put 0 and say geeks, and if you put 0, then they print also geeks because they always start, if there is nothing and they start from 0, automatically they start from 0. But if I put 1 here, sorry, if I put 1 here and they print from 1, geeks and g are shortened there, g is not here. If I print 1 to 9, 1 to, I think there is a 10 keywords, so 1 to 10 they can print odd keywords. Okay, okay, we see another example. Okay, geeks string 1 5. Okay, we use this keyword. What happened? Print 1 5 and 2, first, fifth, and 2. Okay, this G is first, they cannot print it. E is first, fifth is 0 1 2 3 4. 0 1 2 3 4. Where is 5? K is 5 and 2E. I think I don't know how it's working nowadays. Print, I see actually there is some more codes. You can try this code and see what is output here. And minus 1 and minus 1, G double E S G S, and here is S G minus 1. I don't know how it's working. In example, we will see example string from one index and ending with a 12 index stop a 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, and stuck in minus 2, 3 minus 2 12, a minus 12. Okay, okay. This is actually this is uh, okay. I think a print print name, sorry, length name. Okay, I think name is what is going on. length name length. Okay, we remove it. Print name. Okay, sorry. Here is length and here is string. I think I can change it to name. Okay, for my name, and here we change also it to name. Run is code length is actually we are think run length into name and what's going on. What's going on? Period length dot name. Name is name is something they are not doing in print. Name print length print name or len length. This is error. This also error. I think this is not working here. Okay, we change this to this and Control Z and this run. Okay, this also throwing an error. Okay, nobody don't worry. Import idle tools in this modes. Okay, so what is we remove it? Okay, actually we replicate this time not working. 1 2 3 4 5 we can short it here. We can put -6 here, so here a lot of sentence and here we put our name. Okay, GUL FAR is Z and here we print it ZAL. There is 7. Okay, actually how they work, actually they listen, here is total 7s. Okay, first thing -1, 7 -1 they can print 6. Z 7 -6 they can 1. 7 -6 actually they can print 7 -6 is equal to -1. They can print A and 7 -2 is equal to 5. 7 -2 is equal to 5, so they can print as a 5. -2 -6 -2 -3 4 5. Actually here is 0 1 2 sorry 3 4 5 and this is 6. Okay, and here G is also included. Okay, they can print -1 total last. Okay, here is our lecture 3 and next we are going to discuss about 4. Thank you.